Now this is what you can be earning if you do this method correctly. As you can see right here, $15, $1, $196. Literally, you can earn all of this money if you follow these steps correctly. So let's get right into the video. Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can earn free PayPal money on your phone, on your desktop, wherever you want. This method works worldwide, so you can literally be in any country that you want and earn money. So this website is really good. You can earn a lot of money if you follow these steps correctly, so make sure to do that. Now before we get into this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe with notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I upload a couple of videos every single week about how you can make money online. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure to subscribe with notifications on. And let's get right into the video. Alright, this is the website I'm going to be showing you in this video. So this website, it works worldwide, literally in every single country, and it's very good. So as you can see down here, it says that you can earn points by watching videos, you can take part in paid trials, surveys, and offers to earn points. Now, you know, people don't really like doing surveys, but the surveys on this website are amazing. They take like 2 minutes and pay very good. Then you can also watch videos and you can do different offers that I'm going to be showing you a little later on in this video. So as you can see right here, up here it says get paid fast. So you can get paid via PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, Tango Card, and Bitcoin. Now as you can see right here, you can also redeem your points for gift cards. Now this website is literally one of the best, and I'm gonna just show you some payment proof. As you can see right here, payment proof. If you click on that, it will show you payment proof. So far we've paid our members $2 million. That is a lot. And as you can see right here, this is the payment proof, and this is all today, September 8th. You can see PayPal, $4, $3, $15, $196. Like, people are really earning a lot of money on this website. So it's really great. And as you can see here, there is some comments about like the website, what people think. And as you can see here, very reliable and isn't late on payouts or skips payouts. Good panel to connect many service sites. There is always something to do. So this website it's legit. It works very well. So I'm going to be showing you how you can join, how you can register, like sign up. So as you can see here, you want to click on join free. When you've clicked on that, you will be taken to this. Now here you want to sign up by putting in your first name, last name. You want to create a username. Doesn't matter what username, you just want to remember that. Password, you want to type your password again, and then your email 2 times. Then you want to put your address and your country. And as you can see here, this works worldwide. There's literally every single country right here. So wherever you live, you can do this. It works worldwide. Now after that, you want to put your payment details, your PayPal or your Skrill or whatever you have. Then you just want to agree and register. As easy as that. Now let's start earning. Now after you have signed up, this is what it will look like. So as you can see, I've already got 20 cents. Now when you first sign up, you will get a message that says, I will put it up on the screen. You will get a message that says, we have already added your 20-cent join bonus to your account balance, and you will be able to make your first cash out when your balance is over $1. So you only need $1 to be able to cash out, and you can literally earn that in a couple of minutes. Now as you can see, I have 20 cents at the moment, and I'm going to be showing you how you make money on this on this site. And by the way, this works on your phone, on your desktop, on whatever you want. Now you want to click on earn money right here. As you can see, there is a lot of different surveys. So you want to click on popular surveys. And as you can see, there's a lot of different ones. And but I'm going to be showing you the best one. And as you can see on the side right here, it tells you a couple of different surveys you can do. Latest surveys from CPX. Now these are really good. As you can see, you can get paid 98 cents. That's $1 for only doing a survey for 5 minutes. So I'm telling you, these surveys are really short. But yeah, and as you can see down here, there are 554,000 current members. So yeah, this website is very good. Now the best surveys in my opinion is your surveys. This right here, the first one. So you want to click on that one, and we'll wait a little bit, and there we go. This survey pays 85 cents, and there is unlimited surveys available. So you can do this whenever you want and as many times as you want. And as you can see here, you can see people are doing this survey. So it's really good, and it literally takes 2 to 5 minutes. It's really fast and simple. Now if you want to do more things than just like do surveys, if you want to do something else, there is offer walls. But before I go to that, I just want to tell you that you can do all these surveys. You know, surveys are also really good. I've done them. Your surveys is really good. So my tip is like, do your surveys, and you will be earning a lot of money. I'm telling you, you'll be completing your surveys really fast and getting a lot of money. Now the second way you can earn is going on offer walls, and there's different offer tabs. So as you can see, there's peanut labs, ads, and media, all these kind of different offer walls. So I'm gonna click on offer toro, and as you can see, there are different offers that make you earn points. As you can see, this is a mobile game on Android, and it tells you open a game and finish level 12 within 11 days, and you will earn 1,167 points, which is a lot. That's a lot. So there are different kind of offers. You can click on mobile apps to just see mobile apps. You can also click on surveys to check the surveys out. So that's it. And then you can also watch videos. So if you go down here, you can see engage videos. Now you can have this in the background while you're doing surveys, and then you can download these apps, play them when you're just outside or when you're not doing anything. So you can, if you do all of these together, you will be earning a lot of money. Now click on engage videos, and you will see that you can start earning. So you just want to click on one of these. These are different TV channels. So you can click on music, celebrity, best life, whatever you want. You don't have to watch it, you can just have it in the background while you're doing something else. So that's basically it. You just want to click on one of them and you want to earn money. Now we'll go over to something else now. I'm going to be showing you how you redeem, how you withdraw your money. So let's get right into that. Okay, so when you have got at least $1 and you want to withdraw your money, you want to go to the main page right here. And as you can see, it says withdraw cash, convert points / cash. So you can choose whichever you want. If you've gotten points, then you want to convert the points over to cash so you can cash out. So after you've done that, you just want to go back and click on withdraw cash. Now when you clicked on the withdraw cash, you want to choose your payment method. Now you can choose PayPal, Instant PayPal, or Bitcoin. So you just want to choose one of them, put in your information, your PayPal email, and you'll get your money. It's as easy as that. So yeah, that was basically it. This website is very good. so make sure to use it. Okay, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about this website or just any questions in general, make sure to comment them down below and I will be happy to help you all. So yeah, that was it. Make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe with notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.